do you got?
What is it?
Earphones.
Your own earplugs, huh? So you don't have to borrow Mom and Dad's no more?
No.
I got something special for you. I made it by myself.
What is it?
It's a sandwich.
It's a sandwich and she made it all by herself just
I
for
know
you?
like my cooking. Open it
Did
up.
she...
There's never been a kid who didn't believe, vaguely but insistently,
Yeah.
that he would be stricken blind before he reached 21, and then they'd be sorry.
Do you like it?
It's been.
What?
Wait a second.
Do you love it or what?
It's kind of bitten off of, but
I had to make sure it tasted good.
You gonna eat it?
Is that the best gift you've ever got?
You're awesome. Good. I wonder how long she's had that under the tree, though. Does it taste pretty fresh?
ew. How long have you had that under the tree?
Does it taste good?
Does it taste fresh?
Don't hurt my feelings.
It tastes good, but I don't really want to say it because it might hurt your feelings.
It's fresh. Don't worry. It's fresh. He's like, all right, I'll eat it.
Is it the best gift you ever got?
I thought you were gonna wrap it with that.
I don't know.
What do you say?
Thanks.
You're welcome.